Welcome tech enthusiast. Today we're diving into the world of innovation with 16 game-changing gadgets you need right now. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Joy Room Magnetic Silicone Suction Phone Holder, a versatile gadget for content creators. This innovative mount allows easy phone attachment to any smooth surface, eliminating the need for heavy tripods. With strong magnetic adsorption and up to 2.2 pounds of force, it ensures a secure grip on the iPhone series. Ideal for influencers and social media enthusiasts, it's a perfect gift. For non-magnetic phones, a metal ring is provided to enhance the magnetic connection. Meet the Hunt X6, the ultimate multifunctional flashlight redefining everyday carry. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, this powerhouse combines a rechargeable flashlight with 3 modes: bright white, practical UV, and tactical red light, alongside a compact mini pry bar. Built to endure nature's challenges, it's waterproof and rugged. The ternary lithium battery ensures extended life with rapid 30-minute USB Type-C charging. Perfect for light-duty tasks, it replaces bulky tools, fitting seamlessly into your pocket or on your keychain. Experience big energy in your pocket with the Hornell Mini Capsule Power Bank. Weighing just 99 grams and boasting a sleek lipstick-sized design, it's the ultimate solution for your modern lifestyle. Enjoy worry-free charging on the go with intelligent PD 20-watt super-fast charging and the latest Type-C interface. Dual fast charging capability allows you to power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for busy individuals. The self-contained iOS charging head ear cap ensures cleanliness and durability, while the charging cable doubles as a hanging rope for thicker phone cases. With an adjustable hidden stand, unique Star Track indicator light, and a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity, the Hornell Mini is not just functional but also super stylish. Discover the Bladeless Tower Fan and Air Purifier, a fusion of innovation and comfort. This fan offers bladeless technology for safety, a dual function as a CARB-certified air purifier, and versatile cooling features. With 3 modes, 9 speeds, an 8-hour timer, and a remote control, it suits various settings. Covering up to 320 square feet, it circulates fresh air silently. The unique design ensures wide air circulation with minimal noise, promoting a serene environment for improved sleep. New Smart Spray by TUSHY. The revolutionary automatic self-cleaning nozzle for a pristine bathroom experience. This patent-pending Schmutz Shield ensures grime-free, easy cleaning, while optimized pressure and adjustable angle control offer a targeted spray. Easy installation in under 8.5 minutes, universal fit on standard toilets, and some one-piece toilets. No electricity or plumbing needed. Plus, TUSHY helps you save thousands on toilet paper consumption over time. Elevate your gaming experience with the HyperX Clutch Gladiate RGB, officially licensed by Xbox. Compatible with Xbox One, Xbox Series X, S, and PC, it offers customizable RGB lighting with 3 patterns and 7 colors. Feel the action with powerful dual rumble motors and immersive impulse triggers. Dual trigger locks enable faster pulls, while programmable buttons provide a competitive edge. Enjoy the convenience of a 3.5mm stereo headset port and a premium USB-C to USB-A cable for direct connection to Xbox Series XS consoles. Unleash the power of precision and style in every game. Simplify your smart home experience with Linxura. Tired of juggling multiple apps and hubs? Linxura is the all-in-one solution, effortlessly managing your morning routine. Play music, open shades, start the robot vacuum, and brew your coffee. No special hub needed. Control doors, locks, and even your garage door. With a 2 to 3 month battery life, Linxura ensures privacy and comfort. From movie nights to relaxation, Linxura makes life smart and totally simple. Take charge with Linxura. Everything smart, totally simple. Alyfini Silicone Face Scrubber Exfoliator, a skincare game-changer. This electric brush uses high-quality silicone bristles and sonic vibrations to deeply cleanse, eliminating 99% of dirt, oil, and makeup residues. With personalized pre-shave solutions and a thermal massage zone, it caters to various skin needs. Rechargeable, waterproof, and boasting an ergonomic design, It's a shower essential for maintaining youthful, healthy skin. Choose from 5 vibration intensities and experience the benefits of enhanced blood circulation and improved skincare product absorption. Elevate your style with the 2024 new version of CHEMION LED Glasses. Now featuring vibrant color customization and lighter weight, these glasses redefine originality and expressiveness at social events. With fully customizable LED displays, use your fingertip to illuminate messages, drawings, animations, and equalizer displays. Enjoy semi-transparent vision for safe navigation. The convenience of USB-C type charging and cross-platform support make these glasses a must-have for parties, concerts, and sporting events. Meet the Clink Clicker, your ultimate training companion. It's not just a clicker, it's a game changer. Combine the durable clicker with a practical treat container, streamlining your training sessions. No more juggling between clickers and treat pouches. Everything you need is in one compact tool. The Clink Clicker ensures precise marking of behavior and prompt treat delivery, promoting accelerated learning for your dog. With a hygienic design and innovative de-seckin compartment, it keeps treats fresh, minimizes food waste, and keeps your furry friend motivated. Unlock a new realm of creativity with MAVEN color-coded filters. Wave 2. This Kickstarter campaign expands the photographer's palette with a range of innovative filters. From dark polarizers for richer colors to variable NDs for on-the-fly exposure adjustments, Wave 2 offers tools for every artistic vision. The color-coded system simplifies filter selection, eliminating guesswork. MAVEN goes beyond filters, providing a supportive community and educational resources to enhance your skills. Whether you're a pro or an enthusiast, Wave 2 adds the missing piece to your visual toolkit. Avalanche 750. Your solution for easy roof snow removal. With a quick snap-together assembly forming a 15.5-foot pole, this tool allows ground-level operation. The 17-inch wide, 12-foot-long plastic slide ensures a slick surface for efficient snow removal, and the heavy-duty vinyl-coated polyester is cut and tear-resistant. Equipped with 3-inch wheels, it glides safely over various roof types, including tile, cedar shake, metal, and solar panel roofs. Introducing the Egretech Portable Power Station, revolutionizing portable energy with its 70% smaller, slim design. Weighing 40% less, it's perfect for travel, accommodating various devices simultaneously with 6 output ports, including a rapid 100W Type-C. Supporting charge and discharge simultaneously, it's versatile for outdoor activities or backup power. Abundant accessories, 22% solar charging efficiency, and multiple safety measures enhance its utility and reliability. With an intelligent LCD display and LED light, Egretech ensures real-time monitoring and emergency support. Meet the KADAMS Pomodoro Timer, your versatile time management companion. With 11 preset countdown productivity timers, effortlessly flip to your desired time for efficient task management. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective, ensuring a green planet and optimal time management. Experience flexibility with 3 alarm modes: ringtone, vibration, or flashing light to meet your unique preferences. Perfect for Pomodoro sessions, workouts, cooking, and more. Portable, stylish, and easy to operate, enhance your work-life efficiency with this sleek digital flip timer. Illuminate and decorate with this DIY splicing table lamp. Connect to a power bank, computer, or notebook for easy use. Adjust the brightness with a long press of the switch button. Exercise your creativity by creating endless shapes and effects with these DIY sticks. Perfect for the living room, bedroom, office, and more, these lights add a personalized touch to any space. Introducing the BT20 Wingman, not just a power bank, but a portable power revolution. With a modular design and detachable 5000 mAh batteries, this tactical powerhouse offers dynamic capacity for any adventure. The tactical reload design allows seamless battery changes, ensuring continuous power without interruptions. Embracing sustainability eliminates the need for disposable batteries, contributing to eco-conscious practices. Unleash the features with 20 watts Type-C output and rugged durability. More than just specs, the BT20 Wingman empowers your adventures, providing peace of mind and redefining portable power. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video next time.